Hello everyone, this is Masumjia here. Now we will be seeing how to track blog engagement of your GHL blogs. Last video I have shown how to set up GTM on your GHL blogs. Right now I am to capture engagement. To do that I would go to my GTM and figure, and then I would just enable these variables. Okay, now that's it. Now I will go to the website. Now let's preview the GTM again to see the scrollings, and now we can set up the timing also. It continue down. Then you can track these blog views also, like we can set up some analytics for this, for your Google Analytics score, where you will be able to see what blog has been viewed most. But for now I am doing scrollings. The scroll depth will show you some details, threshold 10, 30, 40. So what I want to say, if someone is spending or trying to do 60% of my page, I would set a trigger for my analytics. So analytics, get my it, or for now let's say I would just there's some dummy like this. Now okay, they are asking other information, so I would just try to bypass this thing. I would need to get my GA4 code. Okay, I got my GA4 code. First I need to get a Google tag for this. Okay, go to analytics, Google tag, go this here, and boom, ready. Now the next, if is the tag. Now wait, I just create a new analytics, full tag, ID, and then loading. Now let's save this, right? Save. Now we will set our event. What it would be called analytics. Grab the ID again, then name it paste reader. This reader. Now the event here would be, go to scroll depth and vertical scrolls, which would be 60. Okay, 160 it would fire, and also save it. Scroll depth, engaged reader, save it. Now I also want to see how much time people is spending on my blogs. So now for example I would say whoever is spending 100 milliseconds, or like 1 millisecond, sorry, 1 second is equal to 1000 milliseconds. I want to say 5000 milliseconds when someone spend on my blog analytics. I have the ID again. The event name would be, what would be, potential reader. I'm just linking it to, as I can. We will be later think for you if you need. I would just go to timers, the interval, the number of milliseconds between firing events. It would be 5000 milliseconds. If you spend 5000 milliseconds, then I would consider it as an event. So now I would just do limit is like 50,000, right? And what it is saying, enable this trigger when all these conditions are true. So when I want to fire this, I want to say my scroll depth, or what does it say, my time, right? On screen duration. On screen duration, no, for this I would be doing something else. what should we do, right? Should be choosing any at least something. So what we can say, page URL, for as we are only choosing for my blogs, what I would say, I would just say put some condition if the page URL contains this, and like what I was saying is potential reader, save it. Now I would save it, and I would go to my GTM and come to my studio mode. I would give it a preview. This now I would just wait for my analytics connection. Wait for a few seconds. That should be connected as soon as possible. Also, to publish the container, right? I need to publish the container. Okay. This like okay. I submitted it. I would just refresh it. Okay, cool. As you can see, my GTM debug view has been connected. Now let's wait. And to scroll down. Scroll down. How much I have scrolled down? Scroll depth. You see the scroll depth is a 10. Go to more bottom. Now if I come here, it not I would just my GTM is still wait for this. Okay, my GTM has been connected. Wait for it. Timer is started. There is 5000 milliseconds and it has been started. I have already spent this. So now scroll depth is 10. This how much I have spent, 30, 40, 60. I should see an event. You see potential reader and also engaged reader. You see engaged reader. So engaged reader is an event name. As you can see, engaged read. So engaged reader is an event, and potential reader would fire on every 5 seconds. Then for some, for some example, we will set some 10 seconds, 20 seconds. Really depend on the blog, your length of your blog. So that way we could track a lot of things about your blogs. Like I can track also what blog they are reading most, what is their interest, a lot of things. Let me know if that kind. That's it for now. Have a good day.